Next question. Question number 7. Fill in the blanks with greater than, smaller than, or equal to. Now here minus 5 by 6 is there, minus 3 by 7 is there. Up till when the denominator is not equal, we can't compare the rational number. So our first aim is what? To make the denominator equal. For that, what we to find? We to find its LCM. So if this 7 is multiplied here and this 6 is multiplied here, this becomes what? Minus 35 upon 42 minus 18 upon 42. Now 42 is same. Now minus 35 minus 18 is minus 18 is greater. So this side fraction is greater. Next sum. 3 by 4 and 6 by 8. 3 by 4 and 6 by 8. The LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. If I multiply here 2, then this becomes 3 to the 6 upon 8. And we know that 6 upon 8 is equal to 6 upon 8. So these both are equal. Next sum. Now here, if we will simplify 25 upon 100, 25 ones are 25 fours are. So this becomes 1 by 4. We'll see either this becomes 1 by 4 or not. So not needed only, because this is positive number, this is clearly negative number. So positive number always greater than negative number. No need to do simplification. Next number. Here also same case. Here minus 6 upon 11 is there and 7 upon 8. This is negative number, this is positive number. Positive number always greater than negative number. Next sum. Question number 8. Arrange in descending order. Descending order, we solved few sums. So first we should sort out the positive numbers and negative numbers. Here this number is positive and this number is positive. Means 3 upon 5, 3 upon 7 both are positive numbers. And these two are negative numbers. Minus 3 upon 7, minus 3 upon 11. These two are negative. First we should compare these two numbers. So we have to equalize the denominator. So we to find the LCM of denominator. So here what will come? 21 upon 35, 15 upon 35. So here clearly both are positive numbers, so 21 is greater than 15. Therefore this side number is greater than this side number. Now in descending order, first we'll write a greater number, then smaller number, then smaller, then smallest number. So here automatically this is greater, this is smaller. So descending order of, when we'll write these two numbers, 3 by 5, then afterwards comes 3 by 7. Now here that what we should see. Now here minus 3 by 7 and minus 3 by 11. If we multiply with 11 here and 7 here, here minus 33 upon 77, minus 21 upon 77. Now here minus 33 minus 21, minus 21 is greater. So descending order of these two numbers, minus 21 upon 77 comes, then minus 33 upon 77 comes. Now original number, if you will see this is actually what? Minus 3 upon 11. Then 33 upon 77 means what? Minus 3 upon 7. Means between these two, this is greater than this. Between these two, this is greater than this. So in descending order, we can write first number this comes, then second number this comes, then third number this comes, then last fourth number this comes. So we can write descending order of the given question. First what? 3 by 5 is greatest value, then 3 by 7, then minus 3 by 11, then minus 3 by 7. So the given numbers descending order is this. We'll go next. Again second sum, arrange in descending order. Again we should sort out the positive numbers, negative numbers. Now this is negative number, denominator is negative, here numerator is negative, so this is negative number. Both negative means this is positive number and this is negative number. So minus 7 upon minus 7, actually 7 upon 9 means positive number. Means in these three negative number, this is the greatest number. So in descending order, first this number will come. Then we have to compare these three numbers: 9 upon minus 11, minus 5 upon 6, and minus 2 upon 3. Now if I took this minus 9 here, minus 9 upon 11, minus 5 upon 6, and minus 2 upon 3, better we will solve in this. I shall write again once. Minus 9 upon 11, minus 5 upon 6, minus 2 upon 3. Now 11, 6 and 3 LCM will come. If I multiply 3 2s are 3 1s are 2 1s are, and 11 1s are 11. So 11 into 6, 66 is the LCM. 66 is the LCM. So if I multiply here 6, this becomes 66. If I multiply this 11, this becomes 66. Here I have to multiply this 2 into 11 means 22. So this is 54 minus 54 upon 66, minus 55 upon 66, minus 44 upon 66. So when we'll compare this, this is the greater value. Minus 44 is less, but in minus the lesser is greater. So in descending order, first what will come? Minus 44 upon 66. Then comes minus 54 upon 66. Then comes minus 55 upon 66. Now minus 44 upon 66 means originally minus 2 upon 3, and minus 54 upon 66 means minus 9 upon 11, and minus 55 upon 66 means minus 5 upon 6. So this is in descending order of three numbers. And already we see minus 7 upon minus 9 is actually positive number. So that is the greatest in all those four numbers. So first number comes that minus 7 upon minus 9. Then after minus 2 upon 3. Then after minus 9 upon 11. Then after minus 5 upon 6. Just for reference, you have to see this procedure, but try to solve yourself these all sums. We'll go next question.